For a fourth week, motorists will see a marginal decrease in gasoline and diesel prices when they fill up at the pumps. According to Petrojam, 87 and 90 octane gasoline will reduce by 25 cents, selling at $214.89 and $219.91 per liter, respectively. Automotive diesel fuel will now be sold for $227.01 per liter, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will be sold for $229.75 per liter. Kerosene will also see a 25 cents decrease, moving the cost to $201.30 per liter. Meanwhile, propane liquid petroleum will be sold for $71.94 per liter, down by $1.09, and butane liquid petroleum will be sold for $80.81 per liter after a decrease of $1.62. Remember that marketing companies and retailers will add their respective markups to the announced prices. Consumers will soon receive greater protection and have a medium to press banks on improving customer service with the impending passage of the Financial Services Protection Bill. Governor of the Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, Richard Bowles, told Parliament's Standing Finance Committee on Tuesday that the draft have been sent to the Ministry of Finance. Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, in giving a preview of the bill, says it will be explicitly geared towards protecting consumers in the financial and banking industry.
There's a gap in the system in that we have a Consumer Affairs Commission that deals with industry overall, but we don't have consumer affairs specifically for the financial services industry, which is why this bill that the governor alluded to is going to address consumer protection in financial services and empower the BOJ to enforce those standards. So it's a gap that needs to be addressed and is being addressed with this bill that we hope to come to Parliament within the next several months.
MDLink Limited, the largest telemedicine platform in the Caribbean, has sought to expand their robust portfolio of services by acquiring Fleet Diagnostics Limited, a private medical laboratory founded in 2014. An innovator in healthcare technology, MDLink has, since 2017, been committed to advancing access to healthcare in Jamaica, and by infusing technology into the diagnostic laboratory system, the company will be able to produce modern labs that bring first-world conveniences to Jamaica and eventually the region. Now for your market updates. In foreign exchange trading for Wednesday, July 6, the US dollar sold for an average of $151.82. The Canadian dollar ended trading at $118.74. The pound sterling traded for $181.85, and the euro sold for an average of $157.49. The following reflects the movement of the JSE indices in Wednesday's trading session. The JSE index declined by 488 points to close at over 300,000 units. The junior market index advanced by 48 points to close at over 4,000 units. The combined market index declined by 16 points to close at over 300,000 units, and the All Jamaican Composite Index declined by 2,438 points to close at over 400,000 units. Overall market activity resulted from trading in 105 stocks, of which 45 advanced, 45 declined, and 15 traded firm. Stocks advanced for 1834 Investments Limited, Berger Paints Jamaica Limited, and Blue Power Group Limited. Stocks declined for 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited, AMG Packaging and Paper Company Limited, and Barita Investments Limited. Trading firm were 138 Student Living Jamaica Limited Verbal Preference, Access Financial Services Limited, and Caribbean Flavors and Fragrances Limited. The following companies represent the overall volume leaders: Community and Workers of Jamaica CCU Deferred Share and Dollar Financial Services Limited with over 2 million units, and Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with over 1 million units. In regional stocks, in Trinidad and Tobago, Plico Investment Fund was the only active security posting a volume of over 2,000 shares. On the Barbados Stock Exchange, Ebly Caribbean Property Fund Value Fund was the volume leader with 10,000 shares. They were followed by Cave Shepherd and Company Limited, which traded 545 shares. In market data for oil prices slid about 2% to a 12-week low in volatile trade, extending the prior session's heavy losses as investors grew more worried energy demand would take a hit in a potential global recession. Brent futures fell $2.08 to $100.69 a barrel, and West Texas Intermediate crude fell 97 cents to settle at $98.53. And that was the business report on PBC Jamaica. I'm Danita Rodney.